Hi there. I just want to share my simple photo slideshow on bee themed birthday party. Ideas that you can use when planning bee themed party. This is DIY loot box. I'll show you in my next video on how to make this. This is marshmallow vase. I used styro shaped ball, painted it black, and put some mallows on stick, and the vase is made of any mason jars you have and put some colored crepe paper. A black stroke pasted printed label. We just ordered customized cakes. You can buy this one at any stores you have. This is my bee costume. I bought this at the mall and we took photo shoot at home. Please subscribe and hit the bell button for more updates.